In front of me is ZTE Blade A71, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this smartphone. Begin by opening calendar. Now, if you never used it before, tap on this icon at the bottom right corner of it and choose Got It. Then click on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, you can tap over here twice to create your event, or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event from the list. Then adjust it however you wish to. For example, add the title. You can also click on local calendar and select one of your email addresses or one of those sections, in my case events. Now select starting hour and ending one. If you don't need to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by tapping on this switcher next to all day. Then click on Does Not Repeat. Now you can click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year, or even click on Custom and adjust it. Finally, click on Done at the top right corner. If you change your mind, click on the same section and tap on Does Not Repeat. Then scroll down, add people, videos, and even choose Add Location. Then select while using the app or only this time, type in an address of your event and click on the correct one. Then you can also change color of it, take some notes, add attachments, and even set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before it. Pick one of those options, in my case week before, and click on Done. To save your event, hit save at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. In order to make some changes, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Then change whatever you wish to. If you want to discard those changes, tap on this X at the top left corner and choose discard. If you wish to save them, click on save again. You can always delete your event completely, by clicking on it, tapping on those three dots at the top right corner and choosing delete from the list. Finally, confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!